Atlanta approach, Pilatus 567 Echo Romeo. We got the field in sight.
Pilatus 7 Echo Romeo, roger, clear visual approach, runway 21 left.
Clear for the visual 21 left, Echo Romeo. Okay, clear for the visual 21 left. Down to 3,000.
I'm a 5-4 Romeo Bravo, climb maintain.
We're inbound to PDK. Kind of a hazy day.
Departure, exec jet 978 with you, 2.5 for 3,000.
We're at
310.
just above gear down speed in this Pilatus PC12NG. We're going to get her slowed down here by pulling the power back.
Up to 7,000, exec jet 978.
7 Echo Romeo, contact tower 120.9.
20.9, 567 Echo Romeo. Good afternoon, tower, Pilatus 567 Echo Romeo. We're inbound for runway 21 left.
567 Echo Romeo, Peachtree Tower, runway 21 left, clear to land.
Clear land 21 left, Echo Romeo. And we've been cleared to land at 21 left. Down to 3,000 feet.
Number 822 Mike Sierra, where are you parking? 2 Mike Sierra's going to the west hangars. Number 822 Mike Sierra, roger, turn right, taxiway Delta, hold short, runway 21 right, remain this frequency. Alright, turning right on Delta, will remain on this frequency, hold short 21 right. Camera jet 879 Peachtree Tower, turn left.
It's good to have the approach loaded in.
Takeoff.
Anytime you're flying into an airport, even if you're
Number 1998
BFR,
320, contact Atlanta departure.
it's just good for situational awareness.
Contact departure, 980. Wind 200 at 12, gust 17.
Gusty day in Atlanta.
Charlie 127 Romeo, Delta, be ready at the end, 21 left. Roger.
We can go ahead and get the gear down.
Here across runway 21 right, ground point 6 on the other side. 822 Mike Sierra will contact ground on the other side. Crossing 21 right.
Okay, three in the green,
off.
down and locked. We're going to turn the autopilot off here.
771.
We got 3 in the green. Got the glass slope. Pull the power back a little bit. Get her slowed down. I don't need that flight director anymore. Okay, we got 3 in the green, that's important. We get 15 degrees of flaps right here. You know, this airplane lands like a big 172.
Camera 879 heading 120, contact Atlanta departure.
Okay, we got 3 in the green, you can't check that enough. Pull the power back to about 10 PSI, get her slowed down.
Helicopter 37 Hotel X-ray. Helicopter 37 Hotel X-ray, Peachtree Tower. Yes, sir.
We're lined up for the runway 21 left. I can confirm that here since I got the approach lined up. It's just a practice I like doing, just to make sure that we're lined up for the right runway.
Proceed direct to the Charlie pad and report.
Okay, I'm going to get 30 degrees of flaps. We're currently doing 118 knots. We want to come across the field about 85. Come across the numbers about 85. There's Atlanta out there to the left, about 1 o'clock. And we're landing PDK. Okay, 3 in the green. Yaw damper is off. Separator's on. We're down to about 106 knots. We'll go ahead and get the final notch of flaps.
Number 137 Romeo Hotel, Peachtree Tower, main departure frequency to read 121.0.
500.
Three in the green. Down to 100 knots. Gonna land with a little power since it's windy.
Number 56 Kilo Mike, Peachtree Tower, runway 21 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 21 left, 56 Kilo Mike.
Down to 100 knots.
58 Tango Golf, Peachtree Tower, got a couple of southeast IFR departures. And
a couple guys out on and jets waiting for me to put it down. Okay, 3 in the green, 40 degrees of flaps, 90 knots. Wind's kicking up pretty good. Three in the green, last check. Hold her off. Let her land herself. There you go.
7 Echo Romeo, can you make taxiway Delta?
Taxiway Delta is absolutely Echo Male.
7 Echo Romeo, turn right on Delta, cross runway 21 right, ground point 6 up the shot.
Okay, turn right on Delta, and I think you said cross the runway and contact ground, Echo Male.
7 Echo Romeo, affirmative, cross runway 21 right, ground point 6 up the shot.
Okay, cross 21 right, ground on the other side, Echo Male.
137 Romeo, Hotel, Peach Tower, runway
21.6.
Turn right, heading 300, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 21 left, right turn to 300, 137 Romeo, tip.
Kilo Mike, can you accept runway 21 right? Kilo Mike, that's firm. 6 Kilo Mike,
okay, we're
runway
crossing.
Right, runway 21 right, clear to land. 21 right, clear to land, 56 Kilo Mike.
Right, and then we'll cross, dash past these lines right here, and then we'll call ground. Ground, Pilatus 567, Echo Male, we're off for 21 left.
567 Echo Romeo, Peachtree ground, say parking.
Yep, aviation, Echo Male.
7 Echo Romeo, taxi at C Echo Bravo, cross runway 34.
Echo Bravo, crossing 34, 567, Echo Romeo.
500 Hotel Yankee Peachtree ground, runway 21 left, taxi at Bravo Hotel Alpha, cross runway 34.
It's always good to still look up and down the runway and make sure they're clear, even though they've cleared you to cross it. Epps Aviation, #1 place for Pilatus, or close to the #1 place for Pilatus. I always say this is Pilatusville. So we're bringing this plane in, bringing my plane in for annual maintenance. Get these lights turned off. There's a Honda jet over there. A wing watcher right there.
80 Victor Mike, IFR to Alpha Papa Foxtrot, information India.
You guys are good.
80 Victor Mike, Peachtree ground, including Naples Airport radar vectors as filed. Climb maintain 3000, expect level 450, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.
They're good and they're brave.
Squawk 2547.
Okay, let the engine stabilize a little bit. Lights off.
Clear to the Naples Airport.
Pull the conditional lever.
Radar vectors as filed. Climb maintain 3000, 450
we're
126.9.
We're done.
2547 on the squawk, 80 Victor Mike.